Welcome to the Saris 802 SuperBones premium quality trunk mount bicycle rack installation. This rack features a 4-point high-strength strapping system that makes for easy attachment onto most vehicles, whether it's a sedan or hatch-style trunk. The SuperBones uses quick-release levers to adjust the top legs into position. To adjust the upper legs, pull out on the lever, which allows you to position the upper legs to accommodate your vehicle's trunk or hatch style. The quick-release ratcheting levers are used to quickly tighten and release the straps back into its coiled housing. Simply push on the lever to allow the strap to be pulled out. When you have the straps fastened on your trunk or hatch area, pull out the lever to ratchet the straps tight. When not using, retract the straps back to their original position. Depending on the vehicle, you can integrate the strap to be used on the outside or inside of the mounting legs. To change between the two, pull the strap so you have enough slack to work with, then pull the rubber protective sleeve from the hook, and simply pinch the strap where the two pieces meet and slide the hook away from the metal stopper. Slide the protective rubber sleeve off and run the strap back through the leg. Finally, slide the sleeve back on and insert the hook back into place on the strap and make sure it is attached securely before proceeding. To adjust the bike hold arms, release the locking lever and turn the arm to the desired position and lock the lever back into place. To release the straps, press the ratcheting button on the front and slide the strap out. To slide it back in, line up the strap with the slot, push it through, and grab the end and pull it. The SuperBones also comes with an adjustable bike stabilizing cradle to keep your bikes from swinging into each other. To mount the SuperBones to your vehicle, first pull the top straps so there is enough slack to attach the hooks to the top of the seam of the trunk or hatch. Next, adjust the upper arms to the proper position that best suits your vehicle. Once the proper distance is determined, you may find it easier to adjust the legs while resting the rack on a table. Now take the top straps and place them into the seam between the trunk door and your vehicle. The top legs should rest close to the top of the trunk as well. Then place the bottom legs into place near the bottom of the trunk. This is where they will rest on all vehicles. Never place them on the bumper of your car. When the mounting points are in position, pull the bottom strap so there is enough slack to place in between the bottom seam and bumper of your vehicle. You may have to open your trunk a very little amount in order to put the hooks into place. Use the ratchet lever to lightly tighten the excess strap. Make sure all the straps are running parallel with the mounting legs, then shut the trunk door. Continue to tighten all the straps until they are taut. Then give the rack a shake and make sure it is rigid with minimal movement. The SuperBones comes with locking features as well to keep the rack and bike secure to your vehicle. To lock the straps, simply insert the key and turn it 90 degrees counterclockwise and remove the key. The lever should now not be able to be released. To mount your bicycle, release the locking lever for the arms and rotate into place so that the cradles run parallel with the ground. Then release the straps and place your bike on and make sure the seat post is on the same side as the stabilizing cradle. Line up the bike to the cradles and strap it into place. Finally, pull the cable lock and wrap around the bike frame and attach it to the end of the arm. You are now ready to ride down the road with your new Saris model 802 SuperBones 3-bike trunk mount carrier. Thanks for watching our video. If you have any further questions, call us at 800-272-5362 or visit us at rackwarehouse.com.